Tired of juggling multiple Wix accounts or needing to hand off your website reins? First, log into the Wix account that currently owns the website you want to transfer and navigate to Settings in the site's dashboard on the left-hand side. Then select Roles and Permissions. Click on Invite People here. You'll enter the email address associated with the Wix account you're transferring ownership to. A critical step is choosing the right permission level. Select Admin to grant full ownership capabilities. After the invitee accepts the admin invite, return to the Roles and Permissions menu. You should now see the account you've invited listed as an admin. Click on the three dots next to the invited user's name and carefully select Transfer Ownership. A window will pop up, and it's essential to carefully read the information before confirming. The recipient, that's the new owner, will receive an email invitation. They'll need to open the email and click the Accept Transfer to finalize the process. Be aware, some Wix apps might not transfer seamlessly, so double-check everything is working as expected. You've now successfully transferred your Wix website.